Welcome. If you've been juggling multiple Gmail accounts and need to switch between them on your PC, this video will show you how to do it quickly and easily with the latest updates. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. If you're already signed in, you'll be directed to your inbox. If not, you'll need to log into your account first. Now, in the top right corner of the page, you'll see your profile picture or your initials. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on your profile picture, a small menu will pop up. This menu will show you the account you're currently using, along with other accounts you may have already added. To switch to another Gmail account, simply look for the name of the account you want to use in the list. Click on the account, and you'll be instantly switched to that inbox. It's that simple. If the account you want to switch to isn't listed yet, you can easily add another one by selecting Add Account from the same menu. Then, follow the prompts to log in to the additional account you want to access. That's all there is to it. Switching between Gmail accounts on your PC is super easy with just a few clicks. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.